You clicked on this video because you want a superhuman core. Not just visible abs or a flat stomach, but the kind of core strength where you can bend down without wincing, where you can play with your grandkids without your back giving out, where you move through life without that constant nagging pain. Listen, your core is probably your weakest link right now and it's destroying your quality of life, but I'm about to fix that. 5 exercises, that's all it takes. Let me start with something that looks easy but absolutely destroys people. You're gonna do a dead bug. And I know what you're thinking, that sounds ridiculous, but here's the deal. This exercise teaches your core something most people have completely forgotten: how to keep your spine stable while your arms and legs are moving. Most core exercises just make you flex and crunch. Dead bugs teach actual core stability, the kind that protects your back when you're carrying groceries or reaching for something overhead. Here's why this matters for injury prevention. When you move your arms and legs, your lower back wants to arch off the ground. Your core's job is to stop that from happening. If your core can't do this, your spine takes all the stress. That's how you end up with chronic back pain that never seems to go away. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back, raise your arms straight up toward the ceiling, lift your knees so they're bent at 90 degrees, shins parallel to the floor. Now press your lower back flat into the ground. This is critical. Your back stays glued down the entire time. Slowly lower your right arm overhead while straightening your left leg, hovering it just above the floor. Return to start. Then switch sides. Left arm, right leg. The moment your lower back arches off the ground, you've gone too far. Start with 3 sets of 8 reps per side. If you can't keep your back flat, don't extend as far. After 2 weeks of consistent work, something interesting happens. Getting out of bed doesn't hurt anymore. Bending down to tie your shoes feels easier. That's your core actually doing its job for once. This builds the exact type of functional core strength that translates to everyday activities and supports healthy aging. Now let's talk about something that looks boring but builds unreal core strength: the plank. But not the way you've been doing it. Most people turn planks into an endurance test. They hold for as long as possible with terrible form, their hips sagging, their back arching. That's not building core strength, that's building bad movement patterns. Here's what actually works. You're gonna hold a plank for 20 to 30 seconds with perfect form. Not 2 minutes of garbage, 30 seconds of excellence. Get into push-up position, elbows on the ground directly under your shoulders. Body in a straight line from head to heels. Now squeeze everything. Squeeze your glutes like you're crushing a walnut. Pull your elbows toward your toes without actually moving them. Brace your abs like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Hold this tension for 20 to 30 seconds. Rest. Repeat for 4 sets. Here's what makes this approach different. You're teaching your core to create maximum tension, not just survive. Elite athletes don't hold planks for 5 minutes. They create massive tension for shorter periods. That's what builds real stability and control. And here's the payoff for active aging. A strong plank directly improves your upright posture. When your core can create serious tension, standing tall becomes effortless. Your shoulders naturally pull back, your spine stays aligned, you stand taller without even thinking about it. Do this 3 times a week consistently, and after a month, people start commenting on how much better your posture looks. That's your core finally supporting your spine the way it's supposed to. This is the kind of training that supports independent living and helps you move like you're younger. These core exercises are incredibly powerful, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. If you're serious about not just adding years to your life, but adding life to your years, waking up without that constant back pain, moving like you did 10 years ago, and staying independent for decades to come, you need a complete approach that addresses strength training, mobility work, and recovery strategies all working together. That's exactly why I created Reboot Your Body, a detailed blueprint that walks you through the exact system I use with people over 40 who are tired of quick fixes that never last and want real, permanent results. You'll find the link in the description below, and it could be exactly what you've been searching for. Now let's move to an exercise that fixes something most people don't even realize is broken: the bird dog. This teaches your body how to move opposite limbs at the same time while keeping your core completely stable. Sounds simple, it's not. Get on your hands and knees. Hands directly under shoulders, knees under hips. Keep your back flat like you're balancing a glass of water on it. Now slowly extend your right arm forward and your left leg back at the same time. Hold for 3 seconds. Return to start. Switch sides. Left arm, right leg. The challenge isn't the movement itself. It's keeping your hips level and your back from rotating. Most people's hips twist immediately. One hip hikes up, the other drops down. That twisting is exactly what destroys your lower back during normal activities. Here's why this matters for lower back pain relief. Every time you walk, you're moving the opposite arm and leg. If your core can't stabilize during this pattern, your spine takes all the stress. That's why people with weak cores often have back pain that gets worse with walking or standing. The bird dog fixes this specific problem. Start with 3 sets of 6 reps per side. Focus entirely on keeping your hips level and your back from rotating. If you can't maintain control, don't reach as far. After 3 weeks of consistent training, something amazing happens. Walking feels smoother. Standing for long periods doesn't wreck your back anymore. You're building the exact type of core stability your body uses during real-world strength activities. This is functional movement training at its finest, and it directly translates to better balance training and reduced fall risk as we age. Here's an exercise that looks absolutely bizarre, but builds incredible anti-rotation strength: the Pallof press. You need a resistance band or cable machine for this one. Attach the band to something solid at chest height. Stand sideways to the anchor point. Hold the band with both hands at your chest. Now step away until there's tension in the band. The band is trying to rotate you toward the anchor. Your job is to resist. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Brace your core hard. Press the band straight out in front of you. Hold for 2 seconds, pull it back to your chest. That's 1 rep. Here's what makes this absolutely brilliant for injury prevention. Life constantly tries to rotate your spine, carrying a bag on one shoulder, reaching across your body to grab something, opening a heavy door. If your core can't resist rotation, your spine gets twisted and compressed. That's how you develop chronic issues that never seem to heal. The Pallof press teaches your core to resist these rotational forces with serious strength. Start with 3 sets of 10 reps per side. Use a resistance that's challenging but allows perfect form. Your shoulders and hips should stay square the entire time. No twisting, no leaning. After a month of doing this consistently, you'll notice carrying uneven loads doesn't throw your back out anymore. Reaching for things feels more controlled. You're building power and resilience that directly protects your spine during everyday activities. This kind of training becomes even more critical as we age for maintaining the strength that allows you to live life on your terms. Now let me show you the exercise that ties everything together: the hollow body hold. This is what gymnasts use to build insane core strength, and it's brutally effective for regular people too. Lie on your back and press your lower back flat into the ground. Now raise your shoulders off the floor. Extend your arms overhead and lift your legs a few inches off the ground. Now hold this position. Your entire body should form a slight curve, like a banana. Your lower back stays glued to the floor. If your back arches, you've lost tension. Here's what makes this exercise so effective for pain-free strength. You're teaching your core to maintain maximum tension while your limbs are extended. This is the exact position where most people's cores fail completely. When you reach overhead to put something on a high shelf. When you're lying down and trying to get up. The hollow body hold builds strength in these vulnerable positions. Start with 10 to 15 second holds. Do 4 sets, rest 1 minute between sets. If you can't keep your back flat, bend your knees or don't extend your arms as far. Quality matters infinitely more than duration here. After 6 weeks of consistent training, you'll notice something amazing. Your balance improves dramatically. Your range of motion feels better. Getting up from the floor becomes effortless. You're building the foundation of true functional core strength that supports everything else you do. Before you start training though, let me save you from the mistakes that wreck people. Mistake number 1 is doing hundreds of crunches and sit-ups. Those exercises train your core to flex forward. That's useful for exactly one thing: flexing forward. They don't build the stability your core actually needs for everyday strength, and they often make back pain worse by reinforcing poor movement patterns. Focus on the 5 exercises I just gave you instead. Mistake number 2 is training core every single day. Your core muscles need recovery just like everything else. 3 times per week is plenty. Any more than that and you're not building strength. You're just accumulating fatigue. As we age, recovery becomes even more important. Give your body the time it needs to adapt and get stronger. Mistake number 3 is ignoring form to hit arbitrary numbers. Holding a plank for 3 minutes with your hips sagging doesn't build core strength, it builds bad habits. 20 seconds of perfect tension beats 2 minutes of garbage every single time. Start with perfect form and shorter durations. Build from there gradually. And final warning, if you have existing lower back pain, start light and progress slowly. These exercises should make your back feel better, not worse. If something hurts, back off and adjust your approach. This is about building long-term strength and supporting healthy aging, not proving anything to anyone. Follow these 5 exercises consistently, and you'll develop core strength that actually improves your quality of life in measurable ways. You'll move with confidence, you'll eliminate the nagging pain that's been holding you back for years. You'll build the stability and control that supports active aging. Your posture will improve noticeably. Your balance will get better, reducing your risk of dangerous falls. Most importantly, you'll maintain the independence that makes life worth living. This is what real core training looks like. Not endless crunches, not chasing six-pack abs, just building the functional strength that protects your spine and improves everything you do every single day.